Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we are in the Man Cave workshop. All part of Retro Tales Curiosity channel. So in a minute we're going to talk about this. And we're going to talk about this behind me. So I'll turn you around and yeah, some good news. So here we go. First up was this seized up old engine I had, this Model 5 JAP 1953. In the last video it was all seized up, but I've been working on it and now it's gonna go for restoration. I'll restore this. I'll hopefully going to have another one which I'm going to pick up, so we're going to do in the future videos, we're going to do two side by side. So let's just get that, as you can see, I'll put that on the thing. That's a bit easier. There we go. He's running nice and free, as you can see. The exhaust valve and inlet valves all rising now. The exhaust valve was stuck, this one here, the exhaust, that's your inlet, that's the exhaust. That was stuck and the piston was stuck in there. But if I get my torch, the bore is really good, not bad at all. So yeah, that's gonna feature in the future videos, hopefully with the other machine I'm getting. We can restore them side by side. For the main reason, that machine will go back on that rotovator. Restore that. The mini gen, all nicely cleaned up now, as you can see, but because I ain't used it for a few weeks, we've lost the it's not producing electric. So I've tried the old run a drill backwards, run a grinder backwards, but nothing's happening. So I'm going to excite it with a car battery later. Have some steel there. We have a Victorian final, which is I've got to put up on the roof. Over there is a box of bits. And coming back to the start of the channel, this 1947 rotavator, JAP 5. I've got an air filter for it, and we've got to make a bracket up, fit on there. I've also put this tank on for now. It's just crudely leaking a little bit, but not to worry. Got a new one of them. But I thought, I've cleaned the tank out, so I thought, let's give it a run. So I'll put you over here where you can see. There we go. And she runs quite nicely. So let's give that a spin. Put that there. So that's off. there she runs quite nicely. What I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to make a plate for the back here, because there's meant to be a cowling that pushes the air around. But I'm going to make it up, so to take an air filter on the back, get a bit of hose up to the air filter. I'm also going to make a display stand and work stand for it, which it will sit on. So when I display it, it will I can have it all running on the spot. So I think that's going to be a nice idea. So it's going to be agricultural welding, but yeah, I'll flip you around. Yeah, so it's not a very long video, because it's evening. I've got to get up early for work, but yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Just a little update, basically, what's happening in the man cave. So I will see you all in a future video. Remember, like the video, comment, ideas, whatever, and also, most importantly, subscribe. So I will see you all soon in a future video. Bye for now.